should stop deforestation, keeping the trees numbers large to save our whole world from the effects of global warming. Trees is one of the most important elements to give us oxygen. Giving a message without words is not an easy one. A huge round of applause for all our participants. This is so heart-touching. How can we cut the trees which gives us breath, which gives us oxygen? How can we deny this fact that we need trees, we need oxygen to breathe and to be healthy? So promise today to keep the trees near you, water them, make them flourish, blossom. Because if they blossom, then we will live ahead. Preserving the nature is what is the requirement of today.